This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce ketchup. First, select about 2.5 kilograms of very ripe tomatoes, as their natural sweetness and acidity are crucial. Next, gather your spices, whole cloves, allspice berries, and a small amount of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Finally, ensure you have white vinegar, granulated sugar, and fine sea salt on hand. These ingredients form the fundamental flavor profile of your homemade ketchup, creating a delicious and fresh taste. Now, let's get cooking. Roughly chop your 2.5 kilograms of tomatoes and place them in a large pot. Add about 1/4 cup of water to help them break down without sticking. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook gently for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until the tomatoes are completely soft. Once cooked, carefully press the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a food mill to remove skins and seeds, leaving you with a smooth tomato pulp. With your smooth tomato pulp ready, it's time to infuse it with flavor. Return the pulp to a clean pot and add your white vinegar, granulated sugar, and the prepared spices, which you can tie in a cheesecloth bag for easy removal. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook slowly, stirring often, until the ketchup has reduced by about 1/3. This reduction process concentrates the flavors and achieves the desired thick consistency, making it perfect for dipping. For the final touches, taste your homemade ketchup and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and pepper as needed, ensuring it's perfectly balanced. Once satisfied, carefully pour the hot ketchup into sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Seal the jars tightly. This delicious homemade ketchup can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.